What? Lord Yeezy? Yo, thank you for the $100, my dude. Holy hell! It's that wax on your table there. Let's prep it. Oh, it's right here. Yo, you know, we gotta take a big rip for that. That's $100, dude. Oh yeah, bro. Let's hit this shit. That's Lord Yeezy. He said it's free because I love you. I'm like, fuck yeah, I love you too, man. We got a big ass rip right here ready to go. See you in space, man. Dude, that's too handy. That's too fucking handy. What? Bro. Oh, there's so much I could do with that. Lord Yeezy, oh, you're devilish. Lord Yeezy, you are a motherfucking saint, man. Dude, you are awesome. Thank you. Airstone, she was space, lol. Man. But dude, you are awesome. I'll send 800 more if you can twerk. I could try to. I can't guarantee it because I don't have any abs. Alright? Let me, Alright, let's see. If we pull it off. God, I do not have much room here. But, like. See? I got, like, no ass. Yeah. No fucking way! Holy shit! He actually sent it! What? I don't know. What? That is $1,000! Are you kidding me? You do not know how much. Dude, we have to take we gotta take 10 big mega rips. We can't sit there and say no rips. But 10 giant mega rips. 10. One for each $100 interval. Lord Yeezy, you are the motherfucking G! Hello? Oh, yeah, loud. My bad. Sorry, guys, I got a little loud. That is $1,000 donated. $1,000. Fix the moped. Dude, I'm gonna be honest with you. Fix the moped. Or better yet, scrap it and just get one that actually works. Holy fuck. Holy fuck. That is so... Mod for another rack. Mods? We do not buy mod ship. Austin? No. Mod ship is not something you can buy. That's something that has to be earned. Easy. However, if you keep hanging around in streams, just interacting and just kind of showing you're someone that we can trust, we'll bring you on. We just gotta keep it fair like that when it comes to the modding process. Man. Oh my god, there's so much I can do with that. I'm live, what's up? Huh? Dude, I just got $1,000 donation. That's why I got so like ripped. Like holy hell. What? Yeah. It's positive. It's positive. Yeah, you said that. What up, man? But shit. I got 10 giant mega rips I gotta take. I'll talk to you. Yeah, 10 giant mega rips. You have yourself a good one, man. Yo, let's get this fucking moped and let's get it fucking working. Let's find someone. Let's find a shop. I don't care what we gotta do. Thank you. Huh? I'll probably be live for like another hour or so. Maybe. I've been trying to push to do just a little bit longer streams because, like, I want to take it a little bit more seriously now. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you take it easy, man. Peace. But holy hell, man. Yeezy, you are fucking amazing. Holy hell. That gets the moped going for sure. Like, without a doubt. That gets the moped repaired. Doesn't matter if I gotta go to a shop or if I gotta go through private. It will get fixed. Oh my god. They will sing of Lord Yeezy when the day comes. White Man Chronicles? Send it first. Send it first. I'm too smart. Yeah, 86, that's also a TOS kind of thing. Car man, you might need another 500, but you can do it. Maybe. Hold on, let me pull up chat on this so I can see. Do it, maybe. Choo choo, leave it, baby. Like how much weight that takes off my shoulders for a little bit. That does so much. Sometimes I wonder if I even deserve a fan base like you guys, because you guys are so amazing. And then I remember you're not my fans, you're my family. Let's take this motherfucking rip, guys. Oh yeah! Before I leave, if you ever see me on your streams, you see my life around our day-to-day life, just let me know, homie, I got you for life on God. Lord Easy, I appreciate it. I hope you have an amazing day. Before you take off, at least see the hit number 3 go through. No, Lord Easy, but like I said, I'll make sure I get you with them big ribs, man. I really do appreciate, because this here is seriously like, it's life altering, my man. It really is. I get to get this fucking moped going. I can get some service back on my phone. Have a little extra to put towards some bills. And then even still some extra after that to like, I don't know, maybe get some extra Beyblades for this Beyblading streams. I'm planning one out for later this week so we can have a good, like, solid tournament. Especially now that we got the webcam and stuff, because this should be fun to set up. And yeah, I mean, I think it's gonna be fun. Holy crap, this funds me making the prototype to my bong and making a stand. Yo, you literally just put so much that was out of my reach into it. Oh man. I really do appreciate this, brother. I really do. Oh man. Why don't we do that, mods? Why don't we add Lord Y3ZI to the Discord, man? He's gotta at least be able to get that. And we'll even keep this stream up so you'll be able to come back, see this, and then, hold me to it in case something happens, Fatty and the other stuff sent 2.5k. Lord Y3ZI, if you literally do that, I would literally cry. I think I would literally cry at that point. Like, that would be absolutely fucking diddly dumptious insane. Before we get started, I want to thank, a very special person from earlier. One that deserves a really big shout out for the love and support they showed. Lord Y3ZI, who earlier made a massive donation of $1,000. I can never show just the scope of gratitude I feel for that. Later tonight, me and Cookie are about to go get that fucking moped back. And then after that, we got a guy later this week who's going to look at it and hopefully have that son of a bitch working soon. Hopefully. I don't want to promise anything, but we're about to be busting ass now that we have the tools we need to do it. Also, for a little munchie today, for snack, we got some summer sausage. God. This is some meat you can beat with. Oof. It's nice and hard. It's helping my life. When it comes to just breaking through a few barriers I have. That sounds so weird. Just know I appreciate the shit out of your help, man. I'm like super stoned right now, so I can't express myself as clearly as I should. Play some character, girl. Well, I'll probably hop back on here a little bit. When are you gonna do another cover song? I've been thinking about it. I want to learn some guitar first, preferably. I'd like to, be able to do my own acoustics. What on earth? Yo! What? The Lord Y3ZI just threw us another 650. What the fuck? At this point, I might as well just buy a new used moped at this point. Holy hell. This is amazing. How about Riot? Oh my god, I remember that. Do you feel so way? Tell me why it's nothing but a heartache. Tell me why there's nothing but a mistake. Tell me why I never want to hear you say that I want it that way. And that one. But yeah. So did we just fill it or we hit it? We hit it. So we did number 6. Here's number 7. So that's what's 1.k. So I got for you this week, my G, but I keep pulling it up. Dude, Lord Y3ZI, I greatly appreciate this, my guy. I don't know what a heavenly source set you my way, but I appreciate the hell out of it. I wish I knew you in real life so I could give you a hug. Because it feels good. Because I can actually get some shit done, Yeah. I told you we had to, because I appreciate the absolute living shit of what you do, man. And I can't wait to have this ready. Oh, by the way, we're about to be putting the order in for the SIM card tonight. We'll have phone service. So hopefully, no later than by next week, we'll be able to start doing some walking streams. Which will be fun. You know what I'm saying? We got this. We're down to the last two. We got this. Because Yeezy believes in us. We can do it because he believes. So let's do it. We will do it. For the King. For the Lord. We're at a point right now where even if we don't get this moped, we have enough to get another used one that actually fucking works. Like, no joke. Because of him. And we'll still have enough money to do everything else we need to do. Which is fucking incredible! Yeah. Okay. I hope you all have yourself an amazing day. I hope you guys have yourself an amazing day. I'm gonna peace out for now. You guys have yourselves an amazing one. I'll see you in the morning. There's some fatty out. That being said, yes, I'm drinking a Kool-Aid Jammer. Yes, I have a back next to me. Yes, I am going to drink another one. And yes, we're going to take a dab rip. And yes, we're going to play a little bit of Star Wars. Lord Yeezy's like, I've donated $750 to Ukraine. Dude, I ain't even going to lie. Yeezy, I'm going to say it like this. If you really do, like you said the other stream where you were like, yo, your anniversary, I plan to drop 2.5, I will probably donate 500 to 800 of that to the Ukrainian efforts. About 500 to 800. I think, we'll do 800 for 8 years. If you actually do that, Yeezy, that 2.5, I will drop 800 on it. That's how we'll celebrate. They for real need it. Yeah, no, they really do, especially with Elon Musk bullshit. Bruh, you've been getting paid, you're just trying to extort a fucking vulnerable peoples. And if he wants to go to the Russian side, he will lose every last bit of phantom he had from me. I had respect for him for SpaceX. That's a big endeavor. But if you're going to flip sides of the toss of a coin, well then, my friend, you are going to find... Yeah. Lord Yeezy, it's alright if not. If you want to do a future stream, we'll set it up. Christy saying happy birthday to me. Now, I'm pretty open about a lot of stuff, right? Well, let me tell you, as a guy, I'm pretty proud of being able to say 3 things. Number 1, I can eat pussy. Number 2, typical man spits out 2 ounces. Mine does about 3. And number 4, my original records for climax in a single dime was about 12. Well, last night I broke that record. 14 times last night. There's a reason I'm getting shit-faced today. I'm not going any further with it. Because I didn't use lotion. I didn't use lotion either, like a dumbass. We're gonna go ahead and open this bad boy up. Alright. God diggity damn. They make these hard to open. Obviously good reasons. Ah, damn, these are hard to open. Yeah. This fucking pissy ass instructions that barely have photos that are visible. God damn it. Come on now. Get you to go half a circle. This shit just doesn't fucking work. Legitimately pissed. I'm legitimately pissed about this. They give you a fucking instruction sheet that's barely fucking legible and expect you to put that together. That is pure discount bullshit. Like, fuck me. I actually working up a fucking sweat doing that. I worked up a fucking sweat trying to put that shit together. And the fucking thing ain't even together. The fuck is wrong with you, Hot Wheels? An adult can't put this together. What makes you think a fucking kid's gonna do that? I gotta try and make like 20 to 30 bucks. I'm just gonna order a fucking random parts fucking box so I can make something actually usable. God damn. Vroom vroom, motherfucker. Here's the car I picked up for us. Fucking vroom vroom, motherfuckers. Alright. So I am going to go ahead and tell you guys about what's happened with that. So, we had been using the money to get the things we need to get done. We're working right now on trying to get the moped back. We were supposed to do it yesterday, but our guy with the truck had to cancel on us. We're still working on that part. We got a guy lined up who's supposed to take a look at it and see if he can get it done. I don't think the guy's going to charge us much to do that. That being said, paid things like bills. We're working on getting some things done. I literally got myself a bed frame, and like, we're working on stuff, right? There's stuff in the background I've been working on for a while, and I found out the other day that Lord Y3ZI, the guy who donated that roughly $2,000, had it all refunded. Wah, wah, wah. So I contacted PayPal. I sent the links to the stream. I said, hey, this guy donated this, and like, I've already like spent this money.
You what?
It was supposed to go towards this stuff. This is, you know, this is what it was supposed to be. At first, I got an email back to PayPal that said I'd won the dispute, and I wasn't supposed to worry about it. Well, this morning, I woke up to being negative $1,800 in the bank, and I messaged PayPal. The guy put a refund request through his own bank, and there's not jack shit PayPal can do. I don't know how I'm going to pay rent the next 2 months. And I hate admitting this because I'm absolutely terrified. I'm absolutely terrified because that doesn't just fuck my PayPal up. My bank account that's connected to that is fucked. And Frida saw this is the thing, right? I was talking to him. I was in talks with Yeezy for a bit. He said, yo, it's a mistake with the bank. It shouldn't have done that. My bad. They said it shouldn't be coming out. They shouldn't be refunding it. But now he's ghosted me the past few days. I can't get a hold of him. And I hate admitting it. Because we just got to a point where we finally got to a point where we can go fucking get that moped. We were finally going to go get the fucking moped. Wow. That hurts to say out loud, but it's true. Why would people do this? Why? Why? God fucking damn it, hold it together, god damn it. Every goddamn time I get one single step forward, something just fucking trips me down 10 more. Having the trolls taking it out. Can I not for once have something good happen without 20 things that are god awful happening? I won't even be able to roll out the merch in time like I want to do. I'm not even going to be able to afford that. I can't afford getting the editing done for the anniversary video. This derails so much. I need to pop off for a moment. Throw the intermission up. I need a moment. I'll show you right now. I don't even give a fuck. I will show you. I'm not playing. I'm pulling my PayPal up right now to show you guys. This isn't a fucking joke. This isn't a fucking joke. This isn't a fucking joke. I'm not playing. The lighting will fucking work. This isn't a fucking joke. It's not a joke. This isn't me playing a joke. This isn't me being funny. This isn't a lie when I say I feel pretty damn hopeless right now. And that's a painful thing to have to admit. But I actually feel pretty damn hopeless right now. Guys, you've got to give me a second to talk, Cookie, before I even come on screen. Okay, just please chill out, guys. I just need a fucking moment, okay? Ladies and ladies and gentlemen, this is not only coming from me, but Cookie himself was my closest, literally my closest friend who I trust his word over my own at times. And this is just one of those moments. I'm I'm in agreement with him on this. This is not a time for me to go live. I am high strung out from multiple things in the background, guys. Don't even know about. Just one of those very things is right now down the river in Better Roses is in the most foggiest of airs right now. We don't know what's happening with it. I'm having difficulties getting hold of the people who are working on it with me at the time, and now I can't even reach them. PayPal's not going to return that money, and it basically told me to fuck off. I can't get the guy to respond who did that donation, and it seems like, yes, he did fully intend on having it refunded as a troll. He waited until after I had already done most things I needed with the money before doing it, which is a type of troll that's been happening lately. It's been fucking a lot of people over. I've had a lot of shit fuck me over the past week and a half, almost 2 weeks, and this is one of those absolute rare moments where I actually have to say that there's no stream today, and I don't even know if there will be one tomorrow. I want you guys to all be okay. I live with people who wouldn't let me do anything stupid, wouldn't let me do anything drastic. But just know right now I'm just not in a good enough headspace to keep together for a stream.
Yes, he's crying. I'm trying my best to handle this.
He's literally. Like I said, I don't tell you guys everything that goes on in the background, but tonight I'm fairly high fucking strong. And season 7 Turismo, enough to put me negative $2,000 in my PayPal. And by extension, my bank. Because PayPal is going to try to pull that $2,000 out of my bank. And because I don't even got over $5 in my bank account, that's going to put me another negative $2,000. So in reality, It's putting me -4 fucking grand. Like I said, I don't tell you guys everything that stresses me out. And this is one of those very things. My moped's been stolen. My moped's just been straight up stolen.
What?
We've been trying for the past 2 weeks, and Cookie can even attest this. We have been trying for the past 2 fucking weeks. Me and him reaching out to these people to get my moped back. We finally get it working again. And we've officially been ghosted. They're not going to return it. My moped's been fully stolen. So I don't even got a way to get around to get a fucking blue-collar job to even try to work off this debt that I'm about to be in. I'm not about to be able to release my song that I've worked on for over 12 years now. It's like...
So, yeah, Chris, listen, we're gonna go for a ride.
No, I don't want to go for a ride. I don't know what I want anymore, dude. I'm just so fucking tired of this shit happening. Every time something good's supposed to have happened. The past 2 weeks hasn't happened. Until literally I found out when they were going to upload the next video, which I absolutely love. It's a good video. It did great for me. But then all this fucked up shit started happening. And it happens every time I get even a foot forward in my career and in my personal life. This type of shit has to fucking happen. My motherfucking dies. I fucking go through the abusive situation. I have everything disappear on me. I've lost my home. I've lost my animals. I've lost everything. I'm trying to rebuild. And I'm still being taken from like this. And I just don't know what to do. And I'm just trying to keep things together. I'm trying to keep mentally together so I can keep these streams going and try to keep producing content to which I've done jack shit on because, let's face it, I'm not a good content video maker at fucking all. God gives the strongest battles. I'm not even going to say anything because I don't want to sound like a hateful piece of shit right now. But just know, like, if you know who I am, you know that's not true. Fuck, man. Fuck.
No, he's talking about his mom's home.
I just don't know what to do. It's all been happening, and all of this has happened in the span of 3 fucking years, dude. Like, how the fuck am I supposed to fucking breathe? I'm gonna bring stream to an end for now. I can't keep like this. This wasn't even supposed to be a long talk. It was just supposed to be short. Like, fuck. I'll talk to you guys. I don't know when I'll stream again, but I don't know. I'll talk to you guys all later. I just don't know when I'll be live again.
Any interest still? Kind of just figuring out stuff right now.
So for right now, we're trying to figure a few things out. We've had a couple of major setbacks that have really affected the channel. And if you haven't been around to hear about it, I'm really not wanting to go too far into it at the moment. But there's been a lot of setbacks. But we are working on that. Cookie came into me earlier today. He goes, Chris, he's like, me and Sandra just had a talk. Well, more like Sandra had a little rant. He goes, she wants to move out to either Cali or fucking Vegas. She's tired of living out here in Michigan. She'll make better money out there doing her job. We'll make better money. We'll have more people around us to collab with. And you know what I told Cookie? I'm 1,000% down to do this.
Awesome. Yeah, that's like the main thing I was kind of curious. Is it that somewhere you would love to go if things work out, or is it just something that you consider, but you kind of move around if other things popped up?
Yeah. When I do go, I plan to own maybe 2 big totes of stuff, and then I'm hoping to have an e-bike set up or something if I can't get the moped going, which By the way, for those of you who didn't hear, we will more than likely not be getting our moped back. The guys are pretty much like, yeah, fuck you, you're not getting it, and we got one more mutual friend who's going to try to talk it out, and if nothing from that, we don't know what we're going to do. And I wanted to give you guys an update, because I know it's been a good minute since I've been throwing one of those to you, and if anyone here deserves that update, it's you guys. Man, this is a gun. That being said, Sally, you may be coming from a place of love, but I am handling that situation. I know we're dealing with the PayPal situation. It's kind of fucked up right now. But I promise you, we are handling that. Please stop concerning yourself with that for right now. Me, Cookie, and of course a couple of the people who've been helping us out figure it out. Has this been easy? No. But I'm trying my best. But I understand you guys are coming from a place of help. You know what I'm saying? I know you guys are coming from a place of love. But continuously pointing out the fact that I'm in debt is not going to get me out of debt any faster. If that $100 wouldn't be used to help make more better living space here, more than likely it'd be getting put towards... More than likely... I don't know what it would be put towards. I am doing my best to figure out PayPal. And I've got 3 different ways right now that I can handle it. And right now it's just about hearing back from one specific email. But I'm either going to use that $100 to get this room looking nicer, or I'm going to shop around for some newer games so we can play those on stream for us. Trust me. Billy, it's not the fact that you were giving advice on content. It's the fact that you've been asked to stop going over financials and arguing over finances and things like that. I'll gladly let them just roll out a straight up ban if you want. That's not a fucking problem. I'm directly asking you to stop. And if you continue to do so, mods, leash off. If he keeps it up, man. Because it's very clear at this point, if he's been talked to twice now directly, that's going to have to stop. I haven't had butterscotch pudding in so long, I'll love it.
And sorry to cut in here, but Billy, it wasn't it wasn't about giving that you were giving advice about content. It was the fact that you were saying he was ungrateful for something that people who were very close to him gave to him, and he definitely is.
Shall we take a ripper, my friend? Because I am needing to get